Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select the circle, make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, press OK. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude. Make an extrude here with 120 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Now go to create, select the front plane. Go to create here and select project. Select this face here and press OK. Select line, click here in the midpoint here. Make a line here. Make a line here. Make this sketch, okay? Go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc. Okay, go to constraint, select the tangent. This arc must be tangent with this line and must be tangent with this line here. Go to sketch image. The distance between this point here and this line is 45 millimeters. The angle between these two lines here is 12.11 millimeters. And the radius here is 15 millimeters. Okay. Finish the sketch. We have this. Go to Extrude, select this profile. The start will be offset. The offset distance is 10 millimeters. And the distance here is 10 millimeters. Operation join. Press OK. We have this. Now go to create and select mirror. The object type is the features and the object is this last extrude that we made. And the mirror plane, the front plane. Press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create, select this face here. Select the circle. Make a circle here in the same center of the radius, okay. With 12 millimeters. And press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this. The distance here is all. Flip this. Operation cut. Press OK. We have this. Now go to create a sketch. Select this face here. Select line, construction line. Click here in the midpoint. Make a construction line here with 80 millimeters of distance. Okay. Now go to create. Select the arc. Center arc. Click here in this point. Make an arc here with 25 millimeters of radius. Remove the construction line type, okay. Make an arc here. Now make another arc here with 40 millimeters of radius. Okay. Now select line, close this, and close this. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point here, and this point and this point here. Okay. Now select line, make a line here. Okay, this line must be tangent here with this circle, and make a line here in the other side. Okay, we have this sketch here. Now go to finish it sketch and go to Extrude. Select this profile and the start here is offset. The offset is -5 millimeters. And the distance is 15 millimeters. -15 millimeters, okay? Operation new body, press OK. We have this. Now show the sketch 4 again and go to Extrude. Select this profile here. The start will be offset. The offset here is -7 millimeters. And the distance here is -11 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. Hide the sketch 4. We have this, okay. Now go to fillet, select here, this add here, and select this add here. The fillet here is 3 millimeters, and go to add selection set, select this add here, the fillet here, 3 millimeters too, and add selection set, select here and here. The fillet here is 1.5 millimeters. Okay. Add selection set. Make a fillet here inside with 3 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to create a sketch. Select this plane here. Select circle. Click here. Make a circle with 30 millimeters of diameter. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile. Make a cut here. Distance all. Operational cut. Press OK. We have this. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.